Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of the PTron Sonor Pro Bluetooth speaker. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the box packaging of the PTron Bluetooth speaker, and as you can see it has PTron branding all over the box. At the back there are some quick specs, and at the back the MRP is given as 2400, but actually you can get it for around 1000 rupees. So now without wasting any time, let's quickly get into the unboxing. So guys, on opening the box you get the micro USB to USB cable, a 3.5mm aux cable and the user manual. So now let's quickly get into the speaker. So guys, coming to the speaker itself, I have the grey variant and it has PTron logo in the front. At the bottom you get the micro USB port, the 3.5mm port and the port to insert memory card. At the bottom you get some buttons like the play pause button, the on off button and the volume up and down button. So guys, now let me turn on the speaker and pair it with my mobile so that you can get a fair idea of how this speaker performs. So guys, to conclude this video, I must say that this is one of the best speaker which you can buy for under 1000 rupees. The bass and the sound output is really nice with this one. The battery backup is also good. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.